is Laura Beauparlant. I'm the founder of Lab Creative, the author of Brand Chemistry, and the creator of Brand Camp. I'm also an award-winning international speaker. I've been an entrepreneur for the past 18 years, and I leverage my creativity, my experience, and my unique process to help ambitious, growth-minded entrepreneurs really understand and embrace their magic. The results we achieve are aligned brands that stand out from the crowd, magnetize the right clients, and produce explosive results. It all starts with Brand Camp, my methodology for helping entrepreneurs create the foundation of their brand. And after seeing how transformative this process was for my clients, I knew I needed to make it accessible to all entrepreneurs, which led me to write my book. So, Brand Chemistry is all about thinking first and designing later. It walks the reader through the deep work needed to get clear on who you are, why you do what you do, what's in it for your clients, and why they should hire you over the other guy. What I've learned in my years as an entrepreneur and brand strategist is that it's all about chemistry. Irresistible brand chemistry makes you the only choice for the right clients. It will have them willing to pay more for your services and have them lining up and waiting for you when you can serve them. Now, if you're interested in learning more or connecting, you can go to our website, www.labcreative.ca, or you can find us on social at Lab Creative Inc. Hope to see you there.